Hello, everyone in Screencastville. Welcome to
Math You Should
Today
Know!
on Math You Should Know, we are going to be doing two things. We're going to be learning about rational numbers, and we're also going to be discussing place value, especially numbers that come after the decimal. I do have three esteemed colleagues here. Care to introduce yourself, ma'am?
I'm Ava.
She's Ava.
I'm Kaden.
Hayden Boone.
White Hunter Alexander.
Oh my, he went all out. Okay, some people call him Kid Wyatt, but we're not going to go there. All right, let's discuss rational numbers. Now, rational numbers are numbers that can be represented as fractions. So, let's see here. Maybe I could write this number. And we quite easily see 1/2, and we say, yeah, well, that's a rational number. It's a fraction. How about this number? It is, and I'll show you why. I can represent this as a fraction. 6 does equal 6/1. Now, a lot of the numbers we're going to be dealing with today will look like decimals, like this. And Kaden, do you think I can represent that as a fraction?
Yes.
Sure can. Do you know what it is?
1/4.
1/4. Sure, he reduced it already. Some people might just read the number as 2,500, which is maybe what we need to talk about next, right? How do you see a decimal and know what it says? Let's get to that screen. All right, first, Wyatt, I'd like to hear how you would say this number. Let's just write a number. There's already one here, but I'm going to come up with a better one, I think. Better example. Wyatt, how do you say that number?
700.
And now, how did you come up? That's correct, right? Everybody? That's right, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So, Wyatt, how did you come up with that?
Well, it's 7 out of 100.
Oh, that is true. That number represents the number 7 out of 100. It's kind of really small. If you only had 7 100ths of a pizza, it's not a lot of pizza. You're going to be hungry.
Yeah, I'm very hungry.
Now, Ava, how do you take a look at this and understand what that number means?
Well, I see a decimal point, so I know that when I say it, it's going to end in THS.
Oh, brilliant. Yes, look. THS. And if you take a look at the first part, the root word, we've seen 10 before, we've seen 100 before. Where do we see it? Right over here. So we're just kind of going the other way on our number line. And Kaden, how do you figure this out?
Well, I see the decimal point, so then I count to 0, and then I know that's tenths, so then I
In this
look at
column,
the
you know that's tenths.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
And then I look at the 7, and then I instantly know that's hundreds.
Sure.
And then I say 700.
700. So I would just take a look at the number. I can actually cross that out, couldn't I? Because 0 doesn't really represent anything. You can't see it in Screencastville, but everyone here in the live broadcast knows I'm holding 0 cats. Oh, come on. I thought it was pretty good. And that's how I do it too. I take a look at the last number. I say the last number, in this case, 7. And then I look at what column it's in, hundreds, and say 700. Ladies and gentlemen, that's
Math You Should Know!